നമ്മൾ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ എക്സ് സ്കൂൾ കമ്മിറ്റി മെമ്പറും സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ മെന്ററും ആയ സുബൈർ എന്നും ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളു.
Assalamu alaikum and evening and all.
Evening, walaikum salam.
School committee member allada, ex-member ആണ്.
എക്സ് എന്ന് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു ചിലപ്പോ കേൾക്കാൻ.
അത് വിട്ടുപോയത്. So, thank you very much to Students India for giving me a chance to make this presentation. Okay, so I will start presenting my presentation. എല്ലാവർക്കും കാണാമോ?
കാണാം.
Yes.
Today I'm going to talk about the Fibonacci series and the golden ratio. First of all, let me ask you students, why do we learn mathematics? I need some responses. If you unmute, I can get some feedback.
For applying in real life.
Yeah. For calculation, right?
Yes.
And mathematics is used in many applications. All applications, whatever you take, any application, mathematics is used to it. And mathematics is inspiration too. Today, I will talk about the third one, the inspiration of mathematics. Okay, that is what the Fibonacci series and the golden ratio. I will just show you what is Fibonacci series. It is start from 1, then 0 plus 1, 0 is the nothing, that is 0 plus 1 is 1, then 1 plus 1 added together, you will get the next letter 2, 1 plus 2, how much? What is it?
3.
Next is what will be the next one?
5.
5.
2 plus 3 is 5, then
8.
8. Next 13. Very good. So it goes like this. The series continues. This sequence, the red letters are called as Fibonacci series. Got it?
Yes. Fardeen.
Fardeen? So, Fibonacci series is developed by Leonardo Fibonacci, a mathematician, Italian mathematician, and most talented Western mathematician of the Middle Age. And now we will see what is golden ratio. Okay, I will come out of this presentation to show you, to ask you something. 1 divided by 1 is, what is it?
1.
1. Then 2 by 1 equal to
2.
2. Then next to Fibonacci is 3, right? 3 by 2 is
1.5.
0.5. If you take a calculator, now you may require some calculator. Huh? Now what is the next letter? 5. 5 by 3 is
1.6.
6.
Something. Okay. Next letter is 8. 8 by 5 is equal to
1.6.
1.6. 6. So it goes like this, and you will get a series like this.
Yes.
13 by 8 is 1.62A5. 21 by 13 is equal to 1.615. It goes like this, and after here, you will see here, it's all 1.618. This ratio, that is 1:1.618, is called as
Golden ratio.
golden ratio. And the golden ratio, you can, the symbol for this is called as phi. Symbol, you can see it in the screen. Okay, capital and the lowercase. It's phi, you can see. So phi or phi. Okay. Now I will show you how these numbers are connected and what is the relationship and what is there is a spiral made by this. Okay, Fibonacci spiral, and how it is made. I will go to Excel now. Are you seeing my Excel sheet or my presentation only?
The presentation.
Presentation. So I have to come out from presentation.
Suber bhai, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഷെയർ സ്ക്രീനിന് പകരം ഷെയർ വിൻഡോ ആക്കാം. Go to advanced features and share window, then everything will be visible.
Advanced features are.
Advanced sharing
Go
option.
and share the screen instead of share.
I think now Excel is there.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the first column you will see the Fibonacci series, right?
Yes.
It is the same series. And okay. Now you divide the second letter with the first letter. Okay, division. The second column, I have given the formula C4 divided by C3. You know this Excel formulas, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So if you drag it, all these formulas will be copied, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You will see the answer, what we have seen in that presentation, 1, 2, 1.5, 1.66. From here, all 1.618, right?
Yes.
So this is called as 1:1 ratio is golden ratio, and you will see the inverse. That means first letter divided by second letter. You will see this 0.618 from here onwards. Now, let us see the square of these letters. Okay, you are seeing it. You can see it, right?
Yes.
The square in the second one, 4, 9, 25. Sum of the squares. Now you add one first letter and second letter, you will get this. Second letter and third letter, you will get this 5. You will see these numbers in the same Fibonacci series. You see the color matching, 13, 89.
Yes.
You can see it, right? 233.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
This is another relation of Fibonacci series. Now, arithmetic sum of this sequence. Add this together. At 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 5, 15. Okay. 5 into 8,
40.
okay, 40. Like it goes. And what is this number? There is
1.
Fibonacci sequence buried in it. Okay. 1 is 1 into 1. 2 is 1 into 2. 6 is 2
Three.
into 3. 15 is 3 into 5. Okay. If you add it, you will get all this Fibonacci series here also. Got it? Now we will talk about the spiral, the squares. Okay, you have seen the squares 1, 4, 9 like this. 1, 1, 2. This is the sequence. Now I have made this Excel sheet into squares. The column and it is arranged already. Let us see. This is 1, and the second number is 1, right? This is 2 square. I will make separate color to make you understand. And this is
4.
3 square. 1, 1, 2, 3. There is no 4 in Fibonacci. Okay.
Yes.
I will make it. Now this long you have to take. Then now next is 5. This is, what is the number? 8. Very good. Next is
13.
yes. I will go a little bit fast to save the time. This is 13 plus 8, 21.
21.
Yes. 21 plus 13. How much?
34.
44.
34.
34.
Now 34 plus 21, 55.
What's going on? This.
You will get a rectangle like this. You will just copy it and we'll go to paint to show you how we draw it. You can see it, right? No.
ഇല്ല എക്സൽ ആണ് കാണുന്നത്.
Excellent. അപ്പേറിന്റെ ഐഡിയയിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. You can see it now?
Yes.
You can see in pen, right? Now I will draw a spiral starting from number 1, connecting the diagonals or corners of these numbers. Okay, 3. You can see that line,
Yes.
Yes.
corner. And it goes like this. So this is called as Fibonacci spiral. Got it?
Yes.
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 Now coming back to the presentation. You are seeing the presentation now?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we have learned about the relationship and Fibonacci spiral, how it is made. The miracle is these Fibonacci numbers and the spiral you can see in nature a lot. Okay? If you take a sunflower or any other flowers, you will see the spirals are in the same shape of that spiral. And you will see the number of spirals are one of the Fibonacci number.
Hmm.
If you see the flower petals, it will be 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 or something like this. Interesting, right?
Yes.
Yes.
If you see a tree, you will see the Fibonacci numbers in the tree, the branches. If it grows up, it is 1, 2 here, 3 here.
5.
Good. Next, if you see the, the pregnancy time of a rabbit,
No.
No.
nearly 30 days. 30 days. So you have a couple of rabbits here. They are becoming bigger. Then you have one, and they have two children, and they have now here is 2 couples. Like this, if you see the number of couples, it will be following the same Fibonacci numbers or sequence. You will come to know on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th month you will have how many couples?
5.
5 couples. 4th month you will be having 3 couples. So if you see the Fibonacci numbers, you can have a forecast on your if you have a rabbit farm or something, you can calculate it. Now the probabilities, if you see the probabilities, you have, let us assume you have 5 steps. You can go step by step, or you can skip one step, and 3 you can go like this, you can go like this. How many probabilities are there?
8.
8 probabilities. 5 steps, 8 probabilities. Then if you have 6 steps, then it will be 13 probabilities. If you have 7 steps, then it will be 21 probabilities. So that will be also following the same Fibonacci numbers. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
You see this, what is this? This is a pine cone.
Hmm.
It is colored now. There are spirals clockwise, and the same pine cone is having anti-clockwise also. It is, you can see the coloring. You can see the coloring. It is anti-clockwise spiral, and this is clockwise spiral. The clockwise spiral, if you count it, you can see 8. If you start from green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? If you count it anti-clockwise, you will see 13. It's also following the, what following?
Fibonacci.
Fibonacci. If you see the sunflower spirals, that is also, you can see 34 clockwise and 55 anti-clockwise spirals. Good?
Yes.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
Now, I counted for you with another picture of it is 34, you see. If you see the photographer, I think Mr. Safar is there, the best photographer used to keep the focal point of his picture at this point. The Fibonacci spiral, if you keep the focal point at this point, That will be very beautiful. Okay. So
Yes.
take care of taking while taking photographs, and the horizon. If you see, if the horizon is you are keeping at 1:1.6, and if it is 0.6 and this is 1, then that also will keep your photography very attractive. See this photo. Nice, na?
Yes.
And in nature, the formation of the clouds, that is also in the form of the Fibonacci spiral. If you see, you have seen in the news, the climate status and all these things, this picture, you will see, if you draw a Fibonacci spiral, it will be exactly matching. And our galaxy too, it is in the form of Fibonacci spiral. The architects from ancient times and now too, to keep your buildings or something beautiful or in a good structure, they are using this golden ratio. The triangle in Egypt, the pyramids. You see, this is 612 and this is 367, matching on 0.49. Okay. Taj Mahal. All these rectangles are matching, are following golden ratio. What is this?
Eiffel Tower.
If you see the distance, A by B, it is on 0.618. What is this?
Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa. Who drew this?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Exactly. Okay. You can see the spiral, and the frame is also at the golden ratio. And you too, your dimension, it is at the golden ratio. Your creator, Allah has created you on golden ratio. Okay, you can see the distance, right? From forehead to the nose to the bottom on 0.68. Now, this too, you can see your ear is following the spiral, and this your arm distances from elbow to here on 0.618, all these fingers following the same golden ratio. This too. Got it? So from finger to the bottom, from here to the center. B by A is 1.618. This too, 1.618. Maybe it may not be matching with some what is that? Disabled person, but
Differentially able.
this too. I'll go a little faster here. And now, what is the golden ratio point of Earth?
Shall I?
Let us see it. It is somewhere here in this
Kaaba.
Kaaba, mashallah. Let us see. Let us prove it. How we can prove it? I will go to the somebody should help me with the calculator.
Okay.
You know Google Earth, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody knows Google Earth. You can measure the distances in Google Earth. This is Kaaba. You can see it, right?
Yes.
We will measure from here. We will take a point to the north pole of Earth. how much it is? 7634, right? You can see here
Yes.
on this 7633 kilometers. You can see here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Abhihan can note down this 76333.
3.
Yes. Now, why I am doing it in practical means you should know about this. You can measure the distances from this, from here to your house, how much it is, and all those things you should know and calculate from here. Now to the South Pole, from Kaaba to South Pole.
$12,364.
1008.
68.
68.
How much? What is the? If you divide it, how much it is coming? 368 divided by
1.620.
1.62.
1.62. Okay, that is also matching. Actually, it is 12348. 12348. There will be some error in our measurements. Actually, it is 12348 and 7631. If you take it exactly, and you will get 1.618 at Kaaba. Okay. Now you will ask me, there will be a several point like this here and here, all right?
Yes.
That is also
Yes.
golden ratio. Now, okay, for answering that, let us see the next one. If you open the globe, and measure from here, this is our 180 degree, and somewhere here our meridian, the point meridian is coming, and this is 180, this is minus 180. So if you measure this to this, A by B, you will get 1.618, and the total is total divided by this. That is also 1.618 to Kaaba. You take it diagonally, that is also 1.618. So there is only one point like this in the earth, that is our Kaaba. Okay, that is the golden ratio point of the earth. Allah has selected that point for Kaaba. So, to conclude, I would just say that mathematics is not just solving X, it's also figuring out Y. Thank you very much. Over to Saudi Sophia.